Have you ever calculated the true value of your time? If you are still trading hours for dollars, you are trapped in an outdated system. But the world has changed. Today, an ordinary person can build a wealth-generating engine without a massive budget or advanced tech skills. Welcome to the Intelligent Income. Today, I am revealing the full blueprint to building a 24/7 AI empire. One that works for you while you sleep, without ever needing to show your face or record a single screen. Most beginners fear the word automation, but think of it this way. YouTube is digital real estate. Every premium video you upload is a golden asset in the cloud, earning rent through AdSense and high-end affiliates 24/7. This isn't just making money, it's building a legacy where AI is your dedicated staff that never sleeps and never tires. Anyone can start this today, provided they have the right map. But beware, most people fail because of 3 common mistakes. First, they use AI without a soul, creating generic content that no one watches. Second, they lack a consistent visual brand. And third, they focus on going viral instead of building a sustainable system. To succeed, you need a signature style, a premium aesthetic that commands respect. Our system follows 5 elegant steps. Step 1. Deep research. We use AI to find what the world is starving for. Step 2. Script crafting. We turn data into a compelling story. Many people ask, how do I make the script sound natural? The secret is in the emotional prompting, which I will cover in future episodes. Step 3. Cinematic visuals. We generate high-end imagery from professional prompts. Step 4. Premium audio. We use 11 labs to create a voice that represents your brand. A tip for beginners. Always use the high stability setting in 11 labs to maintain that professional tone. And step 5. Execution. We assemble everything into a masterpiece. No screen recording required. How does the money flow? Simple. Once your quality is established, the algorithm pushes your assets globally. You earn through YouTube AdSense and strategic affiliate marketing. You are not selling, you are providing value, and the system handles the transactions. The more digital assets you own, the more your income scales, effortlessly. Your 24-hour quick start begins now. Step 1. Define your niche. Step 2. Choose your AI tools. Step 3. Subscribe to the Intelligent Income. The game of money has shifted. Working for someone else is a risk. Building a system for yourself is true security. Welcome to a world where you are finally the master of your time. Let's build your empire together.